This is a short video on how to set up the coding challenge in Computer App Life. First thing you need to do is you need to open up OneNote. You have to go to the coding challenge, and you have to scroll down to where you have the initial file for your code. You're going to click on this, and you're going to open this file with Notepad, and you're going to get your first line of code. After getting the first line of code, you're going to copy the entire amount of code, and then you're going to open up a program called ROBOTC. You're going to scroll down until it says robot4.x. You're going to click that, and you're going to not click the top, you're going to click the circle icon, and you're going to open this up, and that's going to open up over here. You're going to click on New File, and you should get a file that looks exactly like this. You're going to erase everything, you're going to paste your code into here, and then you're going to check 3 settings to make sure they're set up properly. Under Robot, you need to have under Platform Type the brain, the VEX 2.0 Cortex selected, which is the brain that we're using, and you also have to then go back in, and you have to select that we have Natural Language Project Lead the Way. This is the coding language that's used for the Cortex. It's normally set to IQ, so you have to select that. It's normally set to 2.0, so you have to select PLTW. Finally, we never bought the VEX Cortex communication mode with VEXNet. We don't have the Wi-Fi VEXNet system, so you have to make sure USB only is selected. When all 3 of these settings are selected, you can hit Compile Program, and you can save this code as code number 1 to your OneDrive. After saving that, you guys can see that all of your code is correct, there's no more errors, and it is ready to download to the robots. You have to plug the orange USB cord in, you can click download, and then your code will be on the Clawbot ready to go. If you need to know how to set up the sensors itself, you guys can check the video that is up over here, which explains how to connect this orange USB to the Clawbot. These 2 videos will get you set up.